All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2012 Nissan Rogue. It is the SL all-wheel drive model. It's beautiful burgundy, I would say, with black leather interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering controls, got navigation, backup camera, roof rack, sunroof, fog lights. 189,000 miles on this vehicle, which makes it an as-is vehicle over 100. We'll go real quick, show you what's going on. Hood looks pretty good. Does have what looks to me like some road chips, I would say. Fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I do not see any curbing on this one. The tire right here is under 7/32, above 4. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's side rim. Tire thread is almost at 7/32. Get a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It is not a push start, but a keyless start, I guess. It does come with one key fob combo and one like valet key or something. All right. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, all that good stuff. You got a Navi system. Boom, please wait, blah, blah, blah. Got your AC controls right down below. This is what your backup camera looks like. And there's your Navi system. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. See no lights on except for tire pressure and your mileage of 189, 735. Nice. What your sunroof looks like. That's what your sunroof looks like. And it's nice and opened. Boom. Keep going. You got heated seats. You got your backup camera situation there. You got your 4x4 action here. All right. This is your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, rips. Looks good. Rear bumper looks pretty nice. Your trunk lid looks good. This is what your trunk space looks like. Pretty nice. Got your privacy curtain. You got your other little thing here. You got a spare tire down here. You got tools. I tucked away your owner's manuals there. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Tire thread. It's just at the line of 7/32. The door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let's have a heavy scratch here. About 4 inches right here. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Your tire thread is over 7/32. Fog lights are working. Lights are working. Things are turned on. Very nice, folks. Once again, the 2012 Nissan Rogue SL all-wheel drive model with 189,000 miles, again, as is over 100. Thank you and happy bidding, folks.